testing went okay. A couple little gremlins, that's why we test. But after UCC's big win, we flip-flop tires, kind of nut and bolt the whole car, right? So retorque our bead locks, just some standard maintenance stuff we do. One thing we had overlooked was measuring the rollout on the tire. Testing yesterday, we whipped it up a little higher on the leave, got 104.60, which we've been pretty close. We've been in that 105 pretty consistently, so we're trying to find better front half. Yeah. But it went right towards the wall. So when we looked at the bars were hitting evenly, so we put some more stagger in the bars, that helps drive the car straight. So second, we whipped it up another 100 RPMs on the lead. We got 103.60, just getting down there real good. And then I clicked it off at like 2.2 seconds and coasted to like a 470 at 100 mile an hour. Yeah. Just kind of taking it easy.
I saw you went 470 at the mile an hour that I go.
Yeah. 112 or 110 or whatever it was, but yeah. Then after that, we're like, okay, she's going right. Let's see what's going on. Tire was 7/8 of an inch bigger on the other side, so we're stretching it, trying to get it within about an eighth or 3/16 would be perfect for us. Nice. So getting closer. I love this track. It's badass. We haven't been here in about 5 years racing diesels, so happy to be back here. An awesome place. Plenty of shutdown, just beautiful area, badass town, Corvette museum, good places to eat, so it's always a good time. Oh yeah. We've raced here a lot in the past, and I'm happy to be back here for sure.
Now today we've got like a little bit of shade, a light breeze.
Oh yeah.
I mean, think today's going to be the day to light some fire?
Yeah, right now this first round this is the time to make a good lick. We got cloud cover today. It's going to be the coolest probably all day right now. Getting started early, so it should make a lick today.
Straight back. Ass left a little bit. Ass left. Bring it back around. Stop. Straight. Left a little left. Left a little bit. There you go.
Kind of took what we were giving it for about 30 feet and then ripped the tires off. So we had a nitrous solenoid stick, I think, wide open at that point. Air fuel went really high, or really lean rather, from where it normally is. Shook the tires, lifted, the motors kind of shut off, and I watched the nitrous pressure just drop. So we fixed the solenoid, pulled a little bit of power out, kind of get her down the track a little bit better. Been wanting to go right. We had one tire a little taller than the others. We're trying to stretch it, right, and kind of flip-flop tires and set some preload to get her to go straight. So
yeah, I see you got the scale on your lap now. You guys trying to get it set up and right?
Yep. Just kind of moving some weight around a little bit to see if we can't get it to straighten out some. If everything goes right, we should be in the low 14s, something 414s, maybe. See how well it takes it, and maybe a high O pass if everything stars align.
Well, looking at the competition, it doesn't seem like there's a lot going on in Pro Mod this weekend.
Yeah, so a lot of the guys that are building stuff just haven't got them together. There's a bunch of new builds coming together.
So what's the focus for you guys? Are you trying to just get so far ahead?
Yeah, we're testing. We made some good gains yesterday in testing. Just working on the front half game, seeing what we can throw at it, what we can make stick. Definitely got a personal best front, like a 60-foot yesterday, so it's pretty good. We tried something else that we thought would work, and it kind of didn't, so that looks pretty good.
Going up to qualifying 2 now?
Yep, we'll be up there probably 15 minutes or so.
Keep
basically had a nitrous solenoid that kind of stuck on and did some things we didn't want it to do. Helped us blow the tires off. One of those little gremlins where you just kind of come up against once in a while. So I think we found it and fixed it. We're gonna back it down a notch and just go out and play nice in the morning. We did a couple things like flip-flopping tires right to left and made a little preload adjustment, and it just seems like it wants to go right. It's almost like a circle track car. So we're gonna address that here a little later tonight. Right now we're topping off some nitrous bottles. We found the electrical kind of gremlin, we're dealing with. So I think we'll back it down, be a lot more conservative tomorrow, and just kind of enjoy the day. Hopefully not have to, go right.
Yeah.
Number one in the points series right now. See how it all ends up here by tomorrow, but probably stay on top if we try hard enough.
Yeah, that's the thing. You don't want to give it away.
Right.
Like, give it, you know what I mean? Because you're swinging for stuff.
We're gonna try hard and fight to get in there.
What's the game plan this morning?
Just go A to B before the rain hits.
It's definitely coming, huh?
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a little bit today, so we can go late tonight. Track's awesome. If we need to, we can finish up tomorrow, they said. So.
Gotcha. So we're gonna get it finished no matter what, but
oh yeah, we're gonna get the race in.
But this morning is probably gonna be pretty good track. It's not.
Yep, the track's awesome, man. It's feels just like UCC on Sunday morning. Track temp's about 100 degrees, real nice and tight. So.
Did you guys make any adjustments last night?
We just double checked some stuff. We were throwing a kitchen sink at it in testing just to try to see, what we could get. And we made some good gains, but I think it was going right because the harder we were hitting it, we should have adjusted some other things like tighten shocks down, make a wheelie bar adjustment a little differently. As you start applying power differently, it wants something different. So we're going back to kind of like our get her down the track setup, A to B pass stuff.
Straight back. Good there. Wheelie bars.
Off, race mode on.
Race mode on. Straight. There you go.
So basically trying to fight it going right a little bit. So it launched good. We pulled a lot of power out of it. Just a good A to B pass there. Had to pedal a little bit, but got her down. So kind of what we were hoping for.
And not a bad ET either. Like it wasn't.
Yeah, just 430s. Taking it easy. Not too bad. Had to drive it a little bit. That's for sure.
Now we're starting to get a couple raindrops in. Just a little bit of drizzle.
Yeah, we're watching the weather pretty close. We might have to pop it in the trailer here in a minute. A lot cooler today than it was yesterday, thank God. But I think everything will come around pretty good.
Gotcha. Everything, but other than, having to drive it and stuff, everything else good with the car? I mean, you're happy with engine, it's shifting well, everything?
Oh yeah, it's got plenty of power, all that good stuff. We just double dosed the fuel with our FR3 and everything all doctored it up with some diesel extreme, so that's kind of what we like to run, and then just making it happen. Motor seems happy. She's running like a champ.
Damn right. Not a bad rip.
Getting better. I like the adjustment.
Went out E1, made a good lick, picked up some mile an hour for sure. We took it easy on the front half because she was acting a little wild earlier yesterday, so like a nice A to B pass, which is good, but we sprinkled in some horsepower down track and picked up the mile an hour. We topped our old record of 184.5 to 185.9.
And now you guys seem to have it a little bit more under control.
Yep, just finessing it a little bit and taking it easy in the front half.
And that's getting it down through there.
Yep. So no major changes. We're just going to cool it down and try to do the same thing in eliminations here coming up. So going into the finals with Austin Deutsch, I think.
Now, instead of the rain, it opted not to rain and became probably 110 degrees. I mean,
so it's wicked, crazy, steamy, like sauna feeling at the moment. Just to give everybody an idea what it feels like. She's a little muggy out. So
how is that affecting how you're getting down the track?
Definitely affects spool up a little bit for us. Not too bad. You just got to get it. Give me a little extra second or something to get it wicked up. But other than that, I think didn't hurt our power much. But spool up definitely noticeable.
So now you guys heading off into the final against Austin.
Yep.
Do you know what lane you got?
We have lane choice, so we're gonna pick a lane. We'll probably kind of like that left lane right now, so we might stay in the left lane.
Yeah, I was gonna say you guys have been there all day, so you're probably better off.
We like that lane just a little better. Ralph's doing a hell of a job, being hot, crazy weather out here, but it's the left lane's just a smidge better, I think.
Hopefully, get this thing cooled down, get back to the lanes, and continue on with another victory in the Pro Mod class.
That's the plan, man. If things go right, we're just gonna try to get the W today.
Damn right. A to B is what it's gonna take.
That's right. Yep.
Here it comes. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, ready to make a lick.
One and done. Get it done.
Yeah, well, yeah, one and done. No matter what, we're gonna go out there and make a full pass.
Damn right. Tell me what's going on, brother.
Well, going up for the finals. Ready to rock and roll. Yeah, so yesterday we got into a rain delay. Saturday night, so basically Sunday morning now. Started cleaning the track off. They've been working on the track for about 2 hours. Right now it's early afternoon, just after lunch, almost 1 o'clock here. We're ready to make a final round rip. Just gonna do a nice A to B pass, I think. Nothing crazy. Track looks pretty damn good for the conditions we have to play with, so we're gonna make a rip. If it feels good, I'll stay in it.
Coming back, keep coming back. Back to the right a little bit. Stop.
So my man Johnny Gilbert is back with another
Wow. Another W.
another Pro Mod win. How do you feel?
It's amazing. amazing to have the car. You know, this happened last year, and then just rocking and rolling this year. So that's all right.
Now it looks like with this being the halfway point of the season, I mean, it's gonna do pretty well for you for points. You've been qualifying well. You've been winning some events. I mean,
Yep. It feels real good, man, when you're fighting all weekend between gremlins in the car and the crazy weather we had. It feels real good. So yeah, we're just looking forward to doing some testing here towards the end of the year here, just to see if we can't wake it up a little bit, see if we can't get it down in the 3s.
What's the game plan? I mean, Rocky Top is going to be a quick turnaround. It's going to be turn and burn.
Yeah, we're gonna. We may not make Rocky Top. It's not looking good for that as far as like bringing the car, but we're going to be down there, I think, supporting and helping people and doing videos and you know, helping where we can. Well, that's going to be it for this weekend. We're going to get loaded up and out of here, and we'll catch you guys next time.